you. You may be seated. Alright, class. Say, how was your Easter holiday? That's cool to hear. Today we'll be talking about the crucifix, the death, and the resurrection of Jesus Christ. And this class today will be very interactive. I will ask you a question and you will also ask me back. But if I should ask you a question and you fail to answer it, I will give you 10 strokes of this cane. Have I made myself clear?
Sir, what if we ask you our own question and you did not answer it? Are we going to flog you too? You
can't flog me. I know everything about CROS. I'm a professor too in CROS. I have JSCE, SSCE, OND, HND, BLC, Master, even PhD in Christian religious studies. So there's nothing you ask me that I don't have the answer to it in CROS. Okay, let's go. Can somebody mention 5 disciples of Jesus Christ? Okay, you.
Andrew, Peter, James, John, and Philip.
Correct. Say clap for her. Can somebody mention the name of Jesus' mother? Okay, you over there.
The name of Jesus' mother is Mary.
Correct. Clap for her. Can somebody tell me how many people that Jesus used 2 fishes and 5 loaves of bread to feed? Okay, you over there.
Jesus fed 5,000 people.
Correct. Clap for her. Alright. Now it's your turn. You can ask me any question and I will answer it. None of you have a question for me. Okay, let's continue.
Sir, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Sir, who betrayed Jesus? A. Judas the parrot. B. Judas the carrot. C. Judas Iscariot. D. Judas is a parrot. Choose one.
A. Judas the parrot.
If this broom step out of here, it will spoil. If you want to sweep your house, carry your house and come to our house and sweep it. After sweeping it, you take your house back to your house. If you cannot carry your house and come to our house and sweep it, then you leave it like that and stay in your dirty house. Nobody is dragging it with you.